In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chatgpt account. Whether you're new to AI or just looking to explore the world of AI-driven conversation, setting up your account is simple and quick, taking no more than a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. To begin this process, you'll first want to head over to the Chatgpt website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Any modern browser will work just fine. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by an easy-to-navigate interface. Here you'll find a Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to start your journey. You'll see multiple ways to get your account set up, giving you the flexibility to choose a method that suits you best. Typically, you have options like signing up with an email address, using your Google account, or perhaps even Apple ID. Select the method that you're most comfortable with. Each option provides a secure path to setting up your account, but make sure to choose one that you'll have easy access to. After selecting your method, the next step is verifying your email address. It's a simple but crucial part of the process. Check the inbox of the email you just provided. You should see an email from Chatgpt. This might take a couple of minutes to arrive, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. This email contains a verification link. Click this link to confirm your email address and activate your account. This step is essential to ensure your email is valid and gives you access to all Chatgpt features. Once you've confirmed your account through the link, there might be an optional step where you'll be asked to enter your name and date of birth. Providing this information helps personalize your experience, though it's not mandatory in all cases. If you're comfortable sharing this, feel free to fill it in. Otherwise, it's okay to skip. With all that done, your account is fully verified and ready to use. Now, return to the Chatgpt login page where you can enter your credentials and sign in. Once logged in, you'll be all set to explore everything Chatgpt has to offer. Dive into crafting conversations, asking questions, or even integrating it into your workflows, all streamlined through an interface designed to be user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Chatgpt account. It's a swift process that opens the door to a new world of AI interaction. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoy your experience with Chatgpt.